I don't regret it. I think it was the right thing to do at the time for a series of complex reasons, including people availing of a tax facility that enabled them to avoid paying fees for their children if they were wealthy enough to do it. My successor, Charlie McCreevy, did not maintain the value of the maintenance grant that was put in place to compensate schools and universities for the loss of some fees in some courses. What we did do was to say, look, over the next number of years we're going to increase fees from 2,000 to 3,000. That's a 50% increase. Fianna Fáil increased the student charge, but didn't call it fees, by 900%. It went from 100 up to a vast amount of money. So all other things being equal, I think it's not unreasonable given the state of national finances at the present time.
And is that, obviously you signed the USI pledge in 2011 that those contributions wouldn't be increased. Is that something now that you look back on and think it was a mistake?
USI asked what the Labour Party policy was. Would I sign their pledge on behalf of the Labour Party? I signed it. You know, the programme for government did not contain, because it was negotiated between Fine Gael, who were not, they wanted a student loan system to be brought in or some such mechanism like that. Two different parties campaigning for support, and I've no regrets in signing it.